Hi, I'm Pierre van der Merwe from Le Grace Bio. Every year, thousands of tons of watermelon waste, rind pulp and seeds end up in landfill, left to rot, creating methane emissions and lost value. Farmers pay to get rid of it, and communities miss out on jobs. We've built a modular system that processes this waste right where it's generated. We separate seeds to make high-quality oil and protein meals and convert the rest into stable fiber fractions and bioactive extracts. No part goes to waste. Our low-water process saves water, cuts transport, prevents methane. Using the GSIP impact calculator, we estimate that processing 1 ton of watermelon waste avoids about 5.5 tons of CO2 or carbon dioxide. But it isn't just about the environment. We create local jobs in collecting, sorting and processing. It's a practical way to turn a cost into an income stream for farmers and rural communities. With support from NCIC, we'll deploy our first pilot unit here in the Western Cape, working with local growers. From there we can scale. We already turn waste into value. Thank you for considering our application. Thank you.